In this video we're going to look at printing my Hero Forge D&D character Nosmo using a local 3D printing company. If you haven't seen it before, this is Hero Forge. It's an online tool that allows you to design and build your own custom D&D character. This is Nosmo. Nosmo is my very standard human fighter character for Dungeons & Dragons. As a protection fighter, Nosmo has a long sword and a shield combination. He's dressed fairly simply with good gloves and boots and medium armour. In Hero Forge you build your character up starting from a basic humanoid figure. Then you can use the tabs on the side here to customise the character. The options include choosing a race as well as modifying facial and body features, clothing, weapons, armour and even spell effects and base decorations. It's a great tool and lots of fun to play around with. Addictive if you let it get hold of you. Once you have your character the way you want it, you can either have Hero Forge print it and send it to you, or you can do what I did. Buy the digital 3D STL file and have it printed yourself. My wife and I designed our characters years ago but hadn't organised to download the files and get them printed. Local Western Australian company OTP Terrain now offers 3D printing in Perth. They recently added Hero Forge 3D printing to their range. I wanted to see how it would work out, so I sent them my STL file for Nosmo and this is the result. Here's Nosmo as I received him yesterday. I haven't done any cleanup yet. There's always the odd speck of dust or remnant of support material on a 3D print that you need to clean off before you wash and paint the figure. I'm very impressed with the quality. The print is quite smooth with no obvious lines. I understand these are resin printed, a slightly different process that gives this nice smooth result even on such a small piece as a gaming miniature. Having him printed was also pretty cheap. It wasn't much more than buying a standard D&D miniature. So now after I get him painted, Nosmo will be ready to head out on some adventures. If you're interested in getting your Hero Forge miniatures printed, give OTP a try. Here are their details. See you on the tabletop.